Some of our most beautiful plants in Louisiana don't grow in the ground, they grow on trees, like this beautiful resurrection fern behind me. Usually you'll see this growing on live oak trees, but it can also attach to other species of trees. Now right now it's beautiful and green because we've had a lot of rain, and that's what it does. Whenever we have a rainy period, it's green, it's lush, it's full, just like this branch I have right here. But in drier periods, it often completely disappears and blends in with the bark. It turns brown, hence the name resurrection fern. It goes from being almost invisible to beautiful and green just after one rain. Now this is an amazing plant. It's an epiphyte, so it's just like Spanish moss. It's attaching to the tree, but it's not actually taking any nutrients or water from the tree. All that comes from the air and the rain. And what makes this even more incredible is that when this plant dries, some studies have estimated that it can dry or lose up to 97% of its water and still stay alive until the next rain. You may see resurrection fern across the Gulf South because it typically prefers warmer weather and wetter weather, just like we have in the southeastern United States. So the next time we have a nice rain, look up in your trees and see if you see resurrection fern. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.